First of all, good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Thank you. My name is Devendra Sharma, and I am from Badangad village. My father is a farmer, and my mother is a household lady. Tell about my education and qualification. I have done my 12th class with 87 percentage, and also I have completed my graduation with 68 percentage from Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay University. My ambition: I want to join Indian Air Force because I support financially my family, and I do best for me and do best for our country. That's all about me. Now I would talk about a topic: co-education to related essay. What means of co-education? Co-education means a place where girls, boys are study together. So, all friend, we know that every coin has two sides. So, co-education is some advantage and disadvantage. First of all, I talk about advantage of co-education. Co-education, co-education creates a respectful and study involvement environment for both gender. Co-education decrease agitation among students and increase their confidence level in front of opposite gender. Co-education is beneficial for management because no separate teacher classroom are not required. And now I talk about some disadvantage of a co-education system. Co-education system bad for teacher because they can't feel teach some topic to students, and in co-education system some students are diverted from studies because they involvement in love making environment. So that's all about this topic.
What do you think about dowry system?
Dowry system is a curse for our society because it is take many burden of in girls side. So it is not good for any side.
Suppose that you are a police officer, a woman is coming and he was complain about a person who has a dowry.
First of all,
And he was a senior of your.
senior है ना. First of all, I listen their query incompletely. Then we write a FIR on their opinions. Then I take action and search
Action about your senior.
action
Without any.
because I search many information about him early. Then I take some action.
How do you can say that India is a secular state?
Capital
Secular state. इंडिया में किसी भी जाति को प्रधानता नहीं दी गई है.
हाँ.
इसको आप कैसे साबित करोगे?
India, in Indian culture, many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh live in same country with brotherhood, and it's so unity in diversity. So we can see in our society many religious people live together with brotherhood. First of all, I take a strong step against corruption. Many crimes like female foeticide and bribery, kidnapping and rape cases, mostly rape cases.
Do you like communal politics?
Not like politics.
Communal politics. मतलब कि एक जाति को समर्थन देना और दूसरों को समर्थन ना देना, तो उस पॉलिटिक्स पर आप क्या कहते हैं?
It is bad. I support all communities.
Prove that untouchability does not go from India.
Yes, because nowadays many people think are related old age, and it is it is only when give going out from India then we are think deeply about many people say.
What do you think about Dr. Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar?
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is a great man because they are written our Indian constitution. And he was a man of discipline, and he was a amiable person.
Why do you want to learn English?
Because I face my Air Force interview in future time.
How many times you try to join Air Force?
How many? I try 2 times, and second time my result is not coming now. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam hai. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, his second name is Missile Man of India. He was President of our India. He was a very good and amiable person. That's all about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Tell about your daily routine. You कब आए अभी आओ थोड़ा सा आवाज पहुंचने वाले.
Sit here.
Speak loudly. Tell me about your daily routine.
Routine. First of all, I got up in early morning 5 o'clock. Then I go to temple. It is near our village. And then after we get fresh and brush my teeth. Then after I getting bath, and I prepared myself and take breakfast and coming to American coaching for learning English. You are satisfied my answer? Okay, thank you all of you.